Morning Brew.
The 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 Morning Brew
With DJ Tommy G.
with DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Once again, we would like to remind you guys this afternoon, 4:30 p.m. Kita-kits tayo sa Remy Field. We will be having the human cross, green cross formation. So that means you have to wear something green. Ayan, si Madam invited. Naka-green na. Okay. We will be forming the human green cross formation in celebration of the World Day for Safety and Health at Work 2024. Part pa rin yan ng Labor Day celebration. Here at the Subic Bay Freeport, it will be followed by a Zumbathon. So yung mga mahilig mag-Zumba, see you guys there. Zumba all you want. Zumba all you can. Okay? Plus, we will be having freebies for everybody dahil may mga exhibitors tayo. May mga booth na mga supporters natin that's gonna be there. They will be giving away prizes for everybody. So, see you guys there, 4:30 p.m. today at the Remy Field here inside the Subic Bay Freeport. Okay, and right about now, we have here at the station, I think batch, ilan na ba yung nabilang ko? Hindi ko na matandaan, batch 4 or batch 5 ng LaSalle students here at the Morning Brew Radio Show. Welcome here, LaSalle! Yay! LaSalle College of Antipolo. Kita nyo naman, lahat sila naka-t-shirt, di ba? Bawal ang polo sa Antipolo. Pero yung teachers, naku, bawal yan, ma'am. Okay, pupunta na. Joke lang. May nagsabi na sa inyo ng joke na yan? Wala pa? Yes, may nauna sa akin. Oh, but yung mga nauna sa inyo, puro ang sagot, ako raw nauna, nag-joke noon. Oh, so harapin nyo sila, ha? They will be my witnesses. The joke. Okay. So, kamusta? Kamusta biyahe nyo? Ayos ba? Ayan. So, welcome dito sa 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. This station is the official community FM station ng Subic Bay Freeport, SBMA, under the PBS, Philippine Broadcasting Service, which is also under the Presidential Communications Office of Malacanang. Yan. In-introduce lang, ang haba, no? Basta 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. We are live, by the way, live worldwide on Facebook. Yan, kita nyo naman. Kita nyo ba? Hindi, no? Sila lang, no? Yan. Oh, share natin. Oh, ayan, oh. Live on Facebook, live on Twitch TV, on YouTube, and sa World Radio Garden. You guys familiar with World Radio Garden? Yeah. Medyo, ano yun it's like a Google map of all the FM stations around the world. Kasama tayo doon. Ayan. Okay. So, pag gusto nyo makinig sa 89.5, kahit nasa Antipolo na kayo or maybe somewhere else around the world, pwede nyo pa rin kami pakinggan via the World Radio Garden. Live streaming natin doon. Ayan. Okay. So, enough about the station. Kayo naman, kamusta ang LaSalle College of Antipolo? Kamusta ang school natin? Ayos ba? I don't know what to make of that. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Parang nakakalungkot or pagod kami, gano'n. Ano ba 'yon? Ano ba 'yon? Masaya. So ganun kayo matuwa. Masaya ka ba? Paano pa pag malungkot ka? Masaya na kayong lagay na 'yon, ha. Pero you guys are in grade 12, no? So, graduating, hopefully. Hindi, graduating lang. Walang hopefully. Joke lang yan. Graduating, pag graduate na kayo, ano mamimiss nyo sa school nyo? I ask this to everybody, Yung campus mismo. Maganda ba yung campus nyo? Malaki? Okay. Tapos yung tallest building, how many floors? Ang pinaka-tallest building? Six floors. Ano na? Hindi, ilan talaga? 6? Oh, okay. May elevator? Yes! Escalator? Wow! May school na nagpunta rito, meron silang escalator. Oh. Tapos, sabi nila, laging sira. Sabi ko, hindi sira ang escalator. Kasi pag hindi gumagana yan, stairs siya. Wow. Gumagana pa rin. Tama naman, di ba? It can never be broken. It can only become stairs. Okay. So, 6 floors yung pinakamataas na. Oo nga, malaki nga. Tapos may football field? Yes! Ayun! Doon pa lang swak na yon. Ang school pag sinabing may football field, malaki na. Because the football field itself is malaki. Tapos sa gabi sinasara yung mga bintana, no? Kasi baka pumasok yung buwan sa laki. Yan. Na-slow kayo doon, ha? Okay. Sige. Tapos, what's your most favorite thing about your school? Anong pinaka-paborito nyong something about? Classmates. Sino yung sumagot ng classmates? You know, Miss Congeniality ng Batch 24. Classmates ang may... And mind you mag-isa lang siyang sumagot nun. Kayo iba-iba yung sinasabi pero... Okay, alright. Classmates. Bakit mamimiss mo yung mga classmates mo pag graduate ka na? Paano yan? Ikaw lang sumagot nun. Eh, sila di ka naman mamimiss. De, joke lang. Are you guys, magkakaklase lahat? Merong kahalong section, magkaklase, no? So, yung kasama nyo sa bus, na kaklase nyo rin? Pag-akit nyo, huwag kayo maingay, Huwag nyo sabihin live. Sabi nyo, wala, di naman live. Recording yung kausap namin. Ay, naku, na-spill na yung beads. Nandiyan na. Wala na tayong magagawa doon. Diyan na. Okay. O sige, I'm not gonna hold you long because may mga next stop pa kayo, no? Tama ba? Dadaan ba kayo sa paggawaan ng Crayola? Paggawaan ng Mongol? Kasi nung panahon ko yan, ang field trip di ba ma'am? Kayo rin ba? Yan. Paggawaan lang ng Crayola tapos uwian na. Wala pang libreng coloring book. Okay, thank you so much. LaSalle College students. Yay! Ang school na the only way is up. Natutunan ko na from the others. Papasok pataas, pauwi pataas pa rin. Ewan ko saan hahantong yun. Puro pataas. Okay, thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Yay! Let's call in the other half. Maraming salamat. Enjoy Subic. Masarap dito. Okay, so we will pause for a short while and we will press play on the next requested song. Diyan lang po kayo kay Alice. We will be back with more 895 Subic Bay Radio.
Need help? The following SBMA emergency numbers are available whenever you need assistance in the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. 911 for landline or 9111 for mobile phones for emergency calls. 252-4830 or 0917-569-8467 for the SBMA Fire Department. 252-4911 or 0917-563-4457 for the SBMA Law Enforcement Department. 252-4880 for the SBMA Public Health and Safety Department and 02-886-50500 or 0915-777-7777 for One Hospital Command Center. Again, keep these emergency hotline numbers handy. 911 for landline or 9111 for mobile phones for emergency calls. 252-4830 or 0917-569-8467 for the SBMA Fire Department. 252-4911 or 0917-563-4457 for the SBMA Law Enforcement Department. 252-4880 for the SBMA Public Health and Safety Department. And 02-886-50500 or 0915-777-7777 for One Hospital Command Center.
This is a friendly reminder from Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority and 89.5 FM, My Subic Bay Radio.